Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play the King's Gambit. First, white plays e4, controlling the center. Then, white immediately plays f4, offering a pawn. This bold move aims to open lines for your pieces and launch a quick attack. Black's most common response is to accept the pawn, playing e takes f4, which sets the stage for an exciting game with many tactical possibilities. When black accepts the gambit with e takes f4, white's next move is knight f3. This develops a knight to a strong square and, crucially, prevents black's queen from checking on h4. White's primary goal now is to quickly castle kingside, securing the king and bringing the rook into play. While black has an extra pawn, white gains valuable time and active piece placement. Following knight f3, white should develop the light-squared bishop to c4. This bishop immediately targets black's vulnerable f7 square, creating early threats. Castling kingside is essential to protect your king and bring your rook to the open f-file, ready to join the attack. White can also play d4 to challenge black's central control and open lines for the queen's bishop. In the King's Gambit, always look for ways to exploit black's f7 pawn, which is often a weak point. Be mindful of black's potential counterattacks, especially on the e-file, and ensure your king remains safe. The initial pawn sacrifice is meant to open lines for your pieces, so use them aggressively. Maintaining strong central control with your pawns and pieces is key to a successful attack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.